Alright, I just got my December paper pumpkin. Let's see. Blackberry Bliss for our Stampin' Spot. And our sentiments, just a note, happy birthday, best of luck, lots of love, thank you, congrats, hello, and get well soon. Wow, that's pretty good. For those of you that don't know, this is a monthly subscription from Stampin' Up! And I absolutely love it. The kit comes with everything that you need. The very first month that you order it, you will get one of these blocks. If I can pull it out. I think I pulled it out for class. Anyway, it's just like this, only it's thinner, so that you'll have it for all these kits. It comes all wrapped up so that you, with everything you need. It comes with the directions. So there are 3 different cards and coordinating envelopes, 3 of each card. And the directions show you everything you need to do step by step. Step by step. Card 2, card 3. So we've got some tear and tape, some embellishments, some dimensionals, coordinating envelopes, let's see, scalloped card bases, some banners. Ooh, look at these die cuts. Aren't these pretty? They pop out pretty easy. And these look like maybe some accent pieces. These are all scalloped. They feel like stickers, actually. Yep, they're sticky on the back. They're stickers. Ooh. And some vellum. They're all the same. Alright, I'm going to take these apart and put them together. Alright, I've got everything sorted, and we're going to start with card number 1. The first thing it says to do is to stamp Happy Birthday. In Blackberry Bliss, I'm going to use my big one. And here's the banner that it goes on. Ink up. Stamp. Oh, that didn't come out right, did it? There. Fixed it. Then it says to add tear and tape to the back of your flower and the vellum. So this is going to go like this, according to the little picture. See it? So we're going to put some tear and tape on the back here. First we're going to poke out these little holes. And then get my tear and tape. So you can follow along with the little directions. And this actually just has it. To be honest with you, it looks like it just puts it on the back, and then you place the tear and tape over all the pieces. Like that. And like that. Okay. And then the Happy Birthday, it says to put, so you see the 3 big dots? Those are the dimensionals. Put on the back. I don't know why it wants 3, but I'll put 3, just because it says 3. And then I've got my card base. This is pretty thick. This is nice. It's not chintzy at all, which I'm thrilled with, because sometimes these tend to be a little on the light side, but this is not. So that's good. Okay. And then, I think there's a little bit of yellow on there. Can you see that? A little texture. Okay. Then it has us put the tear and tape. Take this off. It's a little sticky with that vellum right there, but it's okay. And put it right in the middle. And then peel the backings off the sentiment. So these are going together very quickly, but they're really pretty. I have to say, they're really pretty. Put the sentiment here. And then it has 3 embellishments. It says one here, one here, one here. So I will do that. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Remember that. It's just pretty. Okay, and these stickers are for the front of your envelopes. So we'll peel this off, flip it over. Whoop. Be very careful, it's really sticky. It fell. Let that be a lesson to all of you. It's very sticky. There we go. So here's card number 1, an envelope. Isn't that pretty? Okay, card number 2 is with the fern. Same idea. It says to stamp just a note. So I've got just a note. And I've got my ink. I'll be a little better on it this time so I don't mess it up. Stamp it. That's much better. Alright, and then we're putting 3 dimensionals on the back. And then we're taking this, flipping it over, like the picture. I think it goes like such. Trying to look at the front picture. Oh, goes this way. Alright, flip it over. Get the tear and tape. It goes down like this. And then have some across the bottom, but I think I'm just going to put it here. I don't think it really matters as long as it sticks. Right? Get my bone folder out. I really like these scalloped edges. Aren't they pretty? Alright, pull off the tear and tape. Stick it on. Pull off the backings of the dimensionals. Stick it here. And then again 3 of the gems. It's got one here and a couple over here. Card number 2. Envelope number 2. We just have to remember not to drop this one. It's very sticky. Alright. Envelope and card number 2. Card number 3. Ooh, these blackberries are really pretty. Alright. The sentiment is congrats. I got my Blackberry Bliss ink. Line it up. Whoops, that was close. That's what I get for trying to go fast. Sorry about that. Flip it over. Dimensionals. 1, 2, 3. Take our blackberries and our vellum. Flip them over. So I think that what they're doing is they're aiming those stems right for the bottom. Take my tear and tape. Fold my card base. Pull off the back of the tear and tape off of the vellum. That's really pretty, isn't it? The backs of the dimensionals. And then, I guess they had it higher, but it doesn't matter, does it? And some little bit of bling. And then envelope number 3, sticker number 3, extra sticky, remember. There we go. Card number 3, card number 2, and card number 1. Those are really pretty, aren't they? All right. Thank you very much for watching. Happy stamping.